everyone, welcome to this channel. This is a channel where we can share some information of how you can get to the United States via what is called a green card. Stick to the channel and stay tuned because I'm going to be sharing exciting information of how you can apply and get to the United States. Thank you.
Get away from this. Baby, just get back. Just leave this night. Please don't
So I'm just walking by the park. So in this park, it's very exciting. There's a river, there's a play area, as well as a lot of greenery around. As you can see, that's a lot of space around. So as you stick around this channel, I'm just going to show you some of the good things that you can find as you come to the United States.